What's up, y'all? It's CJ Moto and I'm back, and I just came to you today with a little bit of stuff here. I just got some stuff that I bought for my SUR-RON that I don't have yet, but there's one item in particular that I'm super excited about, and I wanted to share it with you. I will link it in the description below, and it's actually it's on Amazon. It's a motion sensitive, motion activated alarm for your bike, and it's got 7 different sensitivity settings, 3 different volume settings, and 3 different chirp sounds. So you can actually chirp it like this, and that's just for when you want to find the bike in a parking lot or something like that, in theory. Sorry about this upstairs. Had a feeling my daughter would be making tons of noise. But anyhow, if you want to chirp it, and then if you want to lock it, you hit the lock button on it. And then if you want to unlock it, you hit the unlock. And then we'll go ahead and take a little video of it and just show you how it works. The link to it will be in the description below. She likes playing with it. Here, you want to test it? Wait. Okay, don't touch that. Don't you touch that. Touch it. Don't touch it again. Touch it again. You gotta actually touch it. She doesn't actually touch it, so hit it. Touch it. Touch it again. Whoa! Yeah, it's pretty loud, as you can see. It goes through 5 different sounds. 2, 3. 4. Have to turn the gain down. 5. Actually 6 different sounds. And then it shuts off after 30 seconds, and then it goes back to don't touch me, maybe touch me again. And then you can disarm it like that. It's got good range. I hope y'all enjoyed the video, gave you some information. Check out the description below. CJ Moto, like, share, and subscribe for more great products. Say goodbye.
Goodbye.
Peace out, y'all.